you assured, parang you gave the assurance that Kaloy would win at least 2 gold medals and he delivered on it. Ano po masabi po ng GAP about this achievement for him?
Well, I'm so happy that my vision came true. I thought he will win 3 because when I made Tawad 2 na lang, but I was hoping for 3 because his parallel bar is beautiful. It's really, if he was in the finals of the parallel bar, he would have at least got silver there. So, but I'm happy with even 1. So I'm congratulating. We worked so hard, and I hope you know, but he has gone through a lot of challenges. We had to go a lot of challenges, and we were able to overcome all these challenges and get to the end of my golden hero. Thank you, Kaloy.
Question, addition for Kaloy. Kasi may napanood akong documentary kahapon yung talking about their lead up to the Olympics, yung comparing to from Tokyo to Paris, marami kang napagdaan ng pagpapatibay ba ng isip in your mental state. Ano masabi mo na pagdaan mo and the triumph mo, yung over lahat para makuha itong 2 gold medal?
Worth it po lahat ng mga challenges na binigay sa akin ng Lord, and super grateful po ako na binigyan niya ako ng ganong opportunity na ma-challenge din yung sarili ko at syempre maalagaan yung mental health din yung sarili ko. Nagpapasalamat din ako kay Lord talaga po na binigyan niya ako ng mga taong magmamahal sa akin at susuportahan ako sa mga ganong events sa buhay ko. Kaya sobrang worth it po talaga na napagdaanan ko yun. Hindi ako sumuko. Masaya akong ginagawa yung sport ko, and na-enjoy ko talaga yung moments sa Paris, and syempre yung pagkapanalo po talaga. Nag-backtrack po talaga lahat sa akin ng mga difficulties po na nangyari sa akin, and sobrang saya po ng feeling ko kasi na-overcome ko po lahat, and sobrang kontento po ako sa kung ano yung na-achieve ko, and sobrang grateful po talaga. Maraming salamat po.
May I add to this? In Tokyo, you know, it was his first time, and mentally, you have to be very, very strong mentally because a strong mind carries a weak body. So now we really made sure that his mind was emotionally and mentally strong as well as physically strong to complete all of that.